Welcome students. Today we are going to study new concept from the set. First one is their equal sets, second one is their finite sets and infinite sets, and what is meant by empty sets as well as null sets. So I am going to explain it with few examples, that's why you can understand it very easily. I am going to explain equal sets. First I am going to take one example. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is equal to, second set is taken, B is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4. If you observe to these both sets, what is the situation that here are 4 elements. And in second set B also there are 4 elements. Means number of members are same. Here there are 4 elements, here there are 4 elements. Now whether these elements are exactly equal or not, check. Here is 1, here is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Exactly both sets have exactly same elements. Both sets have exactly same elements. Such sets are called equal set. One more time, I have taken here example. In set A there are 4 elements and exactly same elements are present in the another set also. Therefore set A, therefore here I am writing A is equal to B is equal to sign is the symbol for equal sets. Do you understand here? If you understand, then we are going to study with the help of example what is meant by finite set, what is meant by infinite set. So here I am going to take one example. First example is that A is one set in which 1, 2, 3, 4 dot. Means there is no end to the list. Means number of members are uncountable. But here number, okay, I am going to change later it. I will stop here only up till 4 because here I wrote here first finite set, so I am going to tell you about finite set. So in set A there is 1, 2, 3, 4, means there is an end to the list. The sets which have end to the list, the sets which have end to the list of members called finite set. Or simple definition, we can write simple definition also. How? The set in which members are countable. The set in which members are countable called a finite set. Example, again we can take one more example, that B is a set containing 2, 4, 6, 8. Finish. Means here there is a end to the list of the members. Such sets are called finite sets. Now then, infinite sets, we will take example of infinite sets. What is meant by infinite set? I will take example for infinite set. Look here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 dot. Means after 4 there are uncountable number of elements. You cannot count there, dot, 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 dot given means after 4 again this set B contains elements. So such a set is called an infinite set. So the set whose members are uncountable is called infinite set. Understand? Any problem till here? If you don't have problem, you may take another example that C is a set of all natural numbers. Natural numbers are also infinite. Okay? Any problem in equal sets, finite set, infinite set? If there is no difficulty, then we will go in empty set. Empty set means what? Set which don't have any element. For example, A is a set. We are writing triangle with 4 sides. Triangle with 4 sides. Is there any triangle having 4 sides? No, not. Therefore, it is empty set. Suppose here B is a set. Circle having number of centers. So set which don't have any element is called a empty set, and this is the symbol of empty set. But or this is called a null set also. This is called or null set. Its symbol is like this. Now here I will take one more example. D is equal to here 0 written. Is it empty set? 0 is given, no? Means there are no numbers. Then will you say that is null set? Yes, null set. No, not, because 0 is also number. So it is not an empty set. Now we will study some more examples from your practice set 1.2. Let's start practice set 1.2. Don't forget to subscribe our English Medium Academy channel. You tell to your friends to subscribe it. There is no fee. There are no any charges. It is freely available. So you should subscribe the channel. Put your comments to encourage us to make more and more videos. Now we are going to start practice set 1.2. Practice set 1.2. So read first question. We will see first question. Here decide, question number 1. Decide which are equal sets, of the following, and in short I am writing question justify. Your question is not written, whole question is not written to save the time. So what is first question? Look here, 1 A is one set given x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. B is another set given x such that x is a natural number, x is a natural number, I will change it, x belongs to natural number, x belongs to natural number, but x is neither prime nor composite. Finish. And one more is here given. There are three sets given, and we should have to decide whether these three sets are equal or not. X belongs to n and x is smaller than 2. Now, one more time, see here, there is need that we cannot decide from after reading these three sets. You can't decide whether these sets are equal or not. Here, there is need that you should have to solve it. After solving only you can understand whether these sets are equal or not. And that's why, however you will solve, it becomes automatically answer of justified. Therefore, let's start. A is equal to x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 here given. Then I am going to take here 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. You should take here LHS. LHS is equal to 3x minus 1. You should have to take such a natural number at the place of x, and after putting that number, when you will solve, when you will get the solution, it must be equal to the right hand side. So I am taking here, put x is equal to 1 in LHS. LHS means left hand side. Okay, start. LHS is equal to 3 into 1 minus 1, 3 into 1, 3 minus 1, 2. LHS is equal to 2. Means LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, element of set A is 2. Now, we will take B. What is B given? B means what? I have to write one more time. X such that x belongs to n, and x is neither prime nor negative. Neither prime nor negative. Okay? So, take B is equal to, now which number is there which is neither prime nor negative? Neither prime nor negative. 1. Why 1? You know, 1 is not negative. 1 is not negative. 1 is co-prime number. 1 is co-prime number. Therefore, element of the set B is 1. Now, C, in case of set C, x such that x belongs to natural number, x is smaller than 2. X is smaller than 2. Then here clearly told x is natural number and it is less than 2, means what will come less than 2? 1. Now come on, see here in set A there is, here it was necessary to write here 1. Means when answer came here, but when we took value of x is equal to 1, it means that element of the set A is 1. So I wrote here 1. Therefore, A is equal to 1. B set also contains only one element, and C is equal to 1. Three sets have exactly same elements. Therefore, A is equal to B is equal to C. This much big answer. It is not big, it is very simple, it is very small. If you understand, if you solve yourself, it becomes very simple. We should not learn mathematics. You see that maths is very simple. If you do everyday practice while solving when teachers are explaining, that time if you concentrated carefully, then definitely it becomes easy whenever you will do more practice in house also. Now we are going to see question number 2. So what I told you that you should study carefully. Definitely maths will become very simple. Maths is one subject where you can get out marks. Now question number 2, decide whether set A and B are equal sets, and mention, ask her to justify, or even here also ask her to give reason like science. Check what is the set A, even number, even prime number. I don't have your textbook. I have forgotten, might be to write here brace bracket. So I am writing here. Now B is one another set B x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. 7x minus 1 is equal to 30. Okay, let's start to write the elements. Even prime number, even means which is divisible by itself. So which number is divisible by itself? 2. Therefore what will come? Even prime number A contains 2. Now here there is need to solve it. B, we should solve this B. 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Then put x is equal to 2 in LHS. You have to take different numbers, and for which value both LHS are becoming, both LHS and RHS are becoming equal. Check it. That will be the member of that element. Therefore here I am taking 2. LHS is equal to 7x minus 1. 7 into 2 minus 1. 7 2s are 14 minus 1. You will get here 30. LHS is equal to 30. It means that when x is equal to 2 placed in the LHS in the given equation, we get the answer. Means set B is equal to what should come? 2. 2 is the element. So now A is equal to 2. Set B is equal to also 2. Both sets have exactly same elements. Therefore set A is equal to set B. This is the answer for question number 2. Which question is this? This is question number 2. Write this. Dear students, there is my always humble request to you that you should have to help me to reach this channel with number of students. You tell to your friends, you tell to your relatives. You try to give opportunity to your friends to subscribe this channel and to get free videos of all subjects, not only of the mathematics, but even we are going to send videos, excellent videos of all subjects. Yes, no doubt. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Which of the following sets are empty sets? Which of the following sets are empty sets. Which of the following sets are empty sets? Question number 1. A is equal to A such that A is smaller than 0. Smaller than 0. What is told? A is one set A such that A is smaller than 0. Which are the numbers smaller than 0? Which are the numbers smaller than 0? Smaller than 0 means A might be 1, A might be minus 2, A might be minus 3. Therefore, A is equal to what can become minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, uncountable. Then is it empty set? No. Set A is not empty set because it contains elements. It contains elements. Now second, B. Here B is a set given. It's number 2. B is equal to x such that x square is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0. Here put the value of x. Which numbers? Here no more information is given, only x and such that x square is equal to 0. So if we take x is equal to 0, therefore x square is equal to 0 square. X square is equal to 0. Therefore B is equal to what will come? 0. Is it empty set? No. There is element in set B. Therefore it is not empty set. It is not empty set. Write this. There is one more benefit to all students in online classes or in online video classes, because you may pause and if not understand, you may go back and can repeat, you can say it, which is not possible in school. Okay, see, now there is question number C. Is question number 3, C. Question number 3, C. X such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x belongs to n. X belongs to n. Then 5x, what is LHS? Given equation 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. We should have to take here value of x, so that you should have to take value of x belongs to natural number when it is kept in the place of x. Then after solving it, its answer should come equal to 0. Whether it comes or not, then if we saw, then there is no such a number. There is no natural number whose solution will come 0 after putting in equation 5x minus 2. Therefore, C is empty set. C is empty set, or C is equal to null set. In short, again here also C is empty set. Empty set. Set, no change at all. Meaning is same. Meaning is same. Directly you may write this C is an empty set. C is an empty set. Now we will go in question number 4. Question number 4. This was question number 3 mostly while teaching. Number of times we teachers are forgetting to write the number. Let me excuse for this purpose. I am going to solve question number 4. Question number 4. Write the reasons. Write the reasons. Which of the following sets are finite? Which of the following sets? Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? You may see there are only questions written, there are no answers, otherwise someone can take here objection that sir is looking at solving. It's not a part because today I don't have your textbook and that's why I have written only questions. Okay, is it clear? Let's start question number 4. Whether it is finite or infinite, here I am going to explain question number 1. B is one set given to you. B is equal to y such that y is less than minus 1. Y is an integer. Y is an integer. Y is an integer. You should understand meaning of this all. You should know symbol. Now here clearly mentioned that y is less than minus 1. Y is less than minus 1. Therefore, y can become minus 2. Y's value can become minus 3. Y's value can become minus 4. Y's value can become minus 5. Unlimited. Number, any big number, suppose 100, but if its value, if its sign is, for example, if y is equal to 1 lakh given here, 1 lakh given or 1 crore given, any, but there is negative sign, then it is smaller. Therefore, here b is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, unlimited. There are so many numbers, uncountable. Members of set B are uncountable, hence B is infinite set. B is infinite set. Why B is infinite set? Because it has number of members unlimited. You cannot count, and therefore B is infinite set. Now next, by mistake I took second first. Now we will see first. A x such that x is smaller than 10. X is natural number. X belongs to natural number. So look here. You may write numbers. Less than, x is less than 10 means 1 to 9. Means countable members, what will you write? Members of set A are countable, members of set A are countable. Therefore, set A is finite set. Set A is finite set. This is actually first question. Now question number 3. Question number 3, what is mentioned here? Question number 3 is given to you. C is equal to set of students of class 9. How many students are there in your class? Can you count or not? Yes, easily we can count. There are no unlimited students. Therefore, elements of set C are countable. Hence C is finite set. Hence C is finite set. Now fifth question. This is third. We are going fourth question. Sorry, not fifth. Fourth. Fourth question. Set of people from your village. Set of people from your village. Can you count or not? Yes, it is countable. Number of people from village is countable. Therefore it is finite set. It is finite set. Now sixth number. Set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. How many whole numbers are there? Suppose A. Start. Yes, who knows whole numbers? I gave on first step. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlimited. This set is infinite set because it has no end to its list. Yes, whole number set is infinite set. Now next question. Sixth, set of rational numbers. I am going to erase this. We are writing instead of whole number, set of rational numbers. You may write this all 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same answer because this set is infinite set. Its reason is that it has also no end. Means question number. Which question is this? See, check. I think it is seventh one. If this is seventh one, then there is also no end to the list, and that's why this set is also called a infinite set. Here this exercise is completed. Dear students, one more time I am going to take revision. Please see. First I told you that what is meant by equal set. We have today studied concept of equal sets. The sets who have exactly same elements, that sets are called equal sets. Then second one we have studied about finite and infinite. The sets whose elements are countable is called a finite set. Infinite means whose elements are uncountable, called a infinite set. Empty set means what? Empty set means set which don't have any element, no element at all, that set is called a empty set. So now here I am going to give some examples as a homework. Please decide whether sets are equal or not. First, A is equal to 1, 2. Here B is equal to 12. Here comma is given. Second question, here B is a set 0, 1, 2, 3, and here C is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 0. Third question is that C is equal to X such that X means first 5 multiples of 2, and here so D is equal to since this is question number 1 A and B. Now this is question number 2 C and D, whether A and B are equal or not. You should have to write here whether A is equal to B. Here D 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You should have to solve is C is equal to D question mark. Okay, this is homework. Empty set or not, decide empty set or not. So A is equal to a boy with 10 legs. B, numbers, natural numbers whose square roots can be calculated. There are 2 questions given here. You should have to decide. This is simple. Small homework is given to you, and I hope that you will solve this. You will study it one more time, and you will not forget to subscribe our Ashok's English Medium channel. Thanks.